is Rocky. So in this video, I'd like to show you our newest 9x9 HDMI matrix. So we start from the source. Right now you can see here we got a laptop, and we also got HDMI output to the input too, and also we got the line keyboard to the PC here, so we can control the matrix by the web GUI. We also can use our app, so it actually can support the iOS or iPad to control this matrix. So we got the media player and the HDMI output to the input one. So here is the 9x9 HDMI matrix. This is the real panel. On the real panel, we can see here we got 9 HDMI inputs. Plus, we also have the ED/ID indicators and also ED/ID button. So right now you can see here we got the ED/ID button. So it will be very easy for us to do the ED/ID management or the ED/ID handshaking. And for the outputs, we also have 9 HDMI outputs to the monitors here. And we have 2 RS-232 port here and also 2 line ports. So it can support the door control system. And also we have the power supply with the screw here. So this will make sure that the connection is very stable. And also here we have a off and on button here. This is going to be the introduction about the rear panel. On the front panel, we can check out. On the front panel, actually, we have a LCD screen here, so it can show like the switching status or other informations here. And also we have the indicators to show like the power or the connection status. And this part is going to be the input and output buttons. So the input output buttons, we have 9 input buttons and 9 output buttons. This one is actually can support the 2K fast switching, so we can just simply select the input, then the output. And once the buttons you've selected, it's going to light up with the blue light, so it will be very easy for us to recognize the current switching status. It can support like 2K fast switching, and a little bit we can see here we got the control buttons. So over here we can set like the IP address, or we also can save the signals, and also we can record the switching status. Will be like very useful. Then on the top we also see here we got a Android device here. Actually we use this one to test the noisy of this matrix. So actually right now we can just reset this one, then we keep setting and to see the so you can see actually this one is very silent, so very good for us to put like in a meeting room. And then we go back to the control PC, then we can check out like the switching status, switching speed. So right now we have the web GUI control. On the web GUI control right now we can see here we got a once we log in with the IP address of the matrix, it's going to be 192.168.0.80. Then we log in, then we have a manager function here, so we can see all the matrix which is in the same segment. So we can rename here, and also we can do the switching from here directly. We can do one by one, but we also can use the shortcut here, so we can do like the media player switching to all. And besides, we can check out like the switching status. Just switch to all. Yeah, we'll switch back again. Can see this switching speed is around like 2 seconds. Okay, this one is actually about the manager, so we can manage all the matrix which is connected in the same segment, and also we can do the switching only for this matrix here. It's going to be the same. And also we have the sender to save, like we're going to save this one, then we save here, and we can press save or load. And also we have the caption function here, so we can rename the senders And also we can rename the input and output. And over here we got the setup, so we can do like the IP address setup or the password for the login, admin, or any password you want set up. And also over here we got logout and more to upgrade. Yeah, back to the switching stairs, just because we see on the real panel we have the two RS-232 ports. So actually we also can send the codes here, like to control the surrounding equipment, such as turn off the projector or turn on the volume. That kind of functions here. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you like this video and this product.